You are watching Hobbykit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hobbykit channel. Today we are going to make a security camera by using Python. This is not just like an ordinary camera. It captures the face present in front of the camera and sent to your telegram. So let's get started. For that, first open your PyCharm editor to write some Python code. Now click on new project. Give a name to your project. In my case, I am giving as security cam. Meanwhile, open Google Chrome or just simply click the link given in the description. You will be directed to this page. Now right click on the first folder and click on view raw. Now right click and save the file to your desktop. And come back to the same link. Download the second folder as it is. Click on the second folder. Yes. Now click on raw. Right click, save as, and save to your desktop screen. Do not change the name, save as it is, because in our code I have written the folder name in such a way. Now copy the main.py code, which is our source code. Copy the code. Open PyCharm editor and just paste the code. So before that, first Alt Control A and backspace will clear the site. And now I will paste my code here. Here we need to download some libraries. For that, go for project, click on Python interpreter and click the plus icon and search for the library called OpenCV Python. Install the file. Also select for requests. Click on install. There is one more file called PyAutoGUI. Install this library too. Now you are all set. First, drag the window, slide it aside and Drag and drop the files which you have downloaded from Google Chrome to this project section. Like this. Click on refactor. Yes, it is moving. So in our code you need to just change the here. In this part, replace it with your Telegram token and replace this with your Telegram chat ID. Also, give the path where you want to locate the screenshots taken by the Python code. In my case, I am using my C drive. Here, this is my C drive. I am using my C drive folder path to store the screenshots taken by the code. That's it. Now let us jump to the Telegram section. Open Telegram and click the search bar and type bot father. Select this bot father which is authorized one. Now click on start. Select new bot. Yes, you need to give the name to your new bot. So I am giving as security cam. Yes, now I'm giving my channel name as Hobbykit bot. Yes, here the API token was given by the bot father. Now save this API token and replace it with the code. Also search for ID. Also search for ID bot here, this one. This is your chart ID. So copy this chart ID and replace it with the code. Now by clicking on my bots, you will go to the page of security cam which we have created in our Telegram. Here you will receive your photos sending by the Python code. So here my face was detected and I have got my Telegram message. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe to Hobbykit channel.